I'm a firm believer in psychological warfare, and we've been conditioned and trained to not have that communal attitude anymore. And it's almost like a survival of the fittest. Unfortunately, um, the whole concept of the village has really turned into something that was years gone by, doesn't exist anymore. You see people getting upset with other adults for, confronting or chastising their child. You see parents ready to go to blows with teachers. You see it in the athletics, right? These parents want to argue and fight at the little kids' games with the referees and the coaches. And I mean, literally lives being taken. So we've gotten away from the things that we used to do. And the reason why we did it was because we could physically see how we were being misused and abused as a people. So that brought us together because I could physically see you being abused. And so I was attached, I felt a connection to you
Mhm.
because, does that make sense?